A lot of you guys might remember this website called Rotten Tomatoes, which is basically like a movie review platform that people use to help gauge whether a movie is one fresh, symbolized by a red tomato, or rotten, indicated by a green splat, and extra fresh, which is like the top of the top movies. Now, the crazy thing is that people are literally trading on movie reviews at this present moment, and this is all done through a site called Kalshi. In other words, there are markets on Kalshi where you can trade on what score a movie will land on the Rotten Tomatoes chart. Let's take this trader, for example, who put about $4,200 into the new Planet of the Apes movie, expecting it to flop, and he actually lost over $1,200 on that single trade when the movie actually performed well. Now, I think the majority of people, most people would stop here, but let's zoom out for a second. You can see that since March, this guy is still up almost $17,000 just from the Rotten Tomatoes category. Now, this is not because he guessed what the score was going to be, but he treated it like a research problem with real probabilities, such as the early buzz, the hype, critic behaviors, and even the background of the movie director. Isn't that crazy? The key takeaway here is that Kalshi is not just free money, although it seems like it with all these viral clips and stories that you might be seeing. Losses are part of the process, and this trader is a perfect example of that because probabilities exist for a reason. But if you truly believe in your heart or research that a play might be the right move, by all means, go ahead and make that trade. But please remember that Kalshi is a regulated market for informed adults. Please trade responsibly and know the risk that you're taking.